Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta Coupe. 305 V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, of course, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. AC also underneath there. And check this out. Odometer reads 12,276. From passing information along from previous owners, believed to be original miles. And I'm going to show you some things on the interior and some of the things in this car underneath the hood that it definitely appears that is indeed the original miles. Another thing about this car, it's going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you want to check out the still pictures, as we took a good close look at the front fascia, grille, hood, take your time looking through the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at the wheels. Beauty rings. Riding on Mastercraft Avenger radials. Color of this car, 24C. Excuse me. It's going to be the interior, 24C blue cloth deluxe interior. So let's take a peek at that. And look at this. That is original interior from 1979. A51 car. We'll get around to the driver's side and check that out a little closer. That's original carpet, dash, interior, seats. That's where I'm talking about that low mileage. The interior definitely reflects it. As far as exterior, 29 is the paint coat on this car, which is going to be dark blue. Now, it appears it has had a repaint along the way. I'm guessing due to the age of the paint, would have originally been a lacquer paint on this car. And has a little more gloss to it now. Perfect? No, but does it show well? Nice and shiny? Absolutely. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. So take a look around the rear of the car. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the trunk, back seat, front seats. Again, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. One of the options on this car, as you can see, rear window defogger. Also has a tilt column, AM/FM stereo that is in working order. Let's take a look down the driver's side. Like I said, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Okay, let's take a little closer look at this interior like I was talking about earlier. Door panels. Those are original. Look at the lack of wear on the armrest. Any sort of discoloring, grime, oils from the skin, anything like that getting into that door panel. Like new. And then take a look at the seat. Showing very little wear, not cracked or worn down on the vinyl on the side like you see on these so much, especially once they've got a few miles on them and or aged. But look at that. Top of the dash. Not discolored, sun checked, cracked. Look at the armrest. See how clean this is? And again, lack of wear or the discoloring, again, from the skin, oils, just the natural process when the car is being driven and people in it, it's going to start to show. Headliner, perfect. Same with the back seats. Check those out in the still pictures. It's like I said, very believable that this is an actual mile car, which was passed along from owner to owner that it is. Unfortunately, it's not on the title. They're marked exempt on the mileage after a certain amount of time. There's what it reads, 12,276. Just so you know, AC blows cold. Wipers work. Original AM/FM stereo working. And then look at the dash. Tachometer working. Here's the rest of the gauges are also. And the horn. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Look how nicely that door closes. You know when those get open too much and that big long door, what those door pins do, and they start to sag? And no, they don't open and close like that. Sounds like you'd expect a 5-liter or 305 underneath the hood. Nothing crazy over top about the exhaust. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open, and we're going to check out this engine bay. I want you to see this. There we go, the hood open. See the hood liner, and then check out this engine bay. Not covered in grime, oil, grease. How many times you see this as original and intact? AC has been converted, 134 from R12. Of course, HEI ignition, nice, smooth running, tidy engine bay. Again, what you'd expect with a car, that kind of miles on it. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Check with your sales consultant. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta. Another car that feels like new. Looking inside, the interior looks like new. Blue on the outside, blue on the inside. It's an automatic on the center console. The odometer says 12,274 miles. Accelerates as you would expect. Perfectly straight on the highway with no hands on the wheel. The smooth ride is, I'm not getting any vibrations or shakes. Factory radio working good. The windshield wipers also work. This car has AC that works and blows cold. That's a nice feature to be working perfectly. Very nice cloth bucket seats. Our gauges are all functioning. The temperature is just about a quarter on the gauge. Factory tachometer works, speedometer works. Volts are charging at about 14. And the fuel tank is reading just under half. Corners well. The kick down works. Very smooth running, very good looking Camaro Berlinetta. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.